Hello everyone, welcome to Criminology and Penology lectures. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of criminology including its meaning, definitions, and the object of criminology. Criminology is the study of crime and the deviant behavior. The term criminology is derived from the combination of two words, crimen and the logi. The Latin word crimen means crime or accusation, and the suffix logi means science or the study of, comes from that of the ancient Greek word logia, derived from logos, that means word or reason. So criminology is the scientific study of crime and the reason why individual commits crime. The term criminology was coined by an Italian law professor Raffaele Garofalo in 1885 in Italian Criminologia. Later, the French anthropologist Paul Topinard used it for the first time in French Criminology in 1887. Criminology is the study of crime from a social perspective, including examining who commits crimes, why they commit crimes, what's the impact of crimes on victims and societies, and how to prevent crimes. As criminology is all about the study of crimes and why individuals commit crimes, we have to define what a crime is. Blackstone defined a crime as an act committed or omitted in violation of a public law, either forbidding or commanding it. Let me repeat this definition that crime is an act committed or omitted. So there must be either the commission or omission of an act. Or we can say there must be doing or not doing of an act in violation of a public law. So there is somewhere a rule written that's been broken, and the rule broken is a public one, either forbidding or commanding it. So the law violated must either forbid the act committed or command the act omitted. This is what makes a crime. Such act or omission constitute a crime whether or not the offender get caught doing it and convicted for doing it or he gets away with it. This crime is an antisocial behavior. They are and constantly increasing and many new crimes are also emerging in the modern complexities of life, posing a positive danger to human life, liberty, and property. The problem of crime control essentially involves the need for a study of the forces operating behind the incidence of crime and a variety of correlated factors influencing the personality of the offender. This has eventually led to the development of modern criminology during the preceding 2 centuries. Definitions. Professor Kenny defined criminology as a branch of criminal science which deals with crime causation, analysis, and prevention of crime. Edwin Sutherland and Donald Cressy defined criminology as the body of knowledge regarding crime as a social phenomenon. It includes within its scope the processes of making laws, of breaking of laws, and of reacting towards the breaking of laws. This definition highlighted the sociological character of crime, that criminology as a branch of knowledge is concerned with the social study of crime and those particular conducts of human behavior which are prohibited by society. It is therefore a social legal study which seeks to discover the causes of criminality and suggest the remedies to reduce crimes. Therefore, it follows that criminology and criminal policy are interdependent and mutually support one another. Although contemporary definitions vary in the exact words used, there is considerable consensus that criminology involves the application of scientific methods to the study of variations in criminal law, causes of crime, and the reaction to crimes. Thus, criminology is a science attempting to study the variations why some individuals commit crime while others do not, why some societies make some acts crime while others do not. To say criminology is a science means it gathers and analyzes data on crime and the criminal behavior. It seeks to study the phenomenon of criminality in its entirety. Objectives. The objectives of study of criminology is to develop a body of general and verified principles and of other types of knowledge regarding this process of law, crime, and its control and prevention. The purpose of this branch of knowledge is to analyze different aspects of crime and devise effective treatment of criminals to bring about the resocialization and rehabilitation of the youthful offenders. That's it for this video. Please watch my next video on criminology and penology, in which we will be discussing the nature, scope, and significance of criminology.